This is the elevator, and I'm just going to call it the Life Sciences Building, but I don't know the actual name. At Allegheny College in Meadville, Pennsylvania. The Dover's Hill Oildraulic Impulse from the 90s. Got the upper level. Here you go up. No sticker. Or there's a sticker, but there's no branding. Here's the upper level. The capacity's up there instead. Interesting. Go back down the lower level. Non-88 phone has a keypad on it. It's a basic laminate cab with pink red accents. Kind of like a Schindler cab, but it's not. Ceiling's all yellow and worn. Here back at the lower level. Carr 1 there, but it's really Carr 14. I'm gonna guess there's not another elevator here. Here it closes and that's gonna be it.